Zia Khan from the Satish Pradhan Gyan Sadhana College, Thane. Today we are going to discuss one of the topic from the 11th science textbook, determinant and matrices. First subtopic is definition and expansion of a determinant. Let us begin with the definition first. What is determinant? Determinant is a square arrangement of numbers which is arranged in m rows and m columns. Here the arrangement of A, B, C, D is called a determinant. Arrangement is enclosed between the two parallel lines and all the elements are arranged in two rows and two columns. Numbers A, B, C, D are called elements of a determinant. In this arrangement there are two rows and two columns. Elements in a first row is AB, where the elements in the second row is CD. Elements in the first column AC, where the elements of the second column is BD. Let us see the order of a determinant. Number of rows in the determinant are called order of row. For example, in this determinant we have two rows, so the order of the row is 2. Where similarly, the number of columns in the determinant is called order of columns. So again, in this determinant we have two columns, so the order of this column is also 2. So we'll call it, its order of the determinant is 2 cross 2, where first 2 indicates the order of row and the second 2 indicates the order of column. So the order of the determinant is 2 cross 2, or it is called is 2 by 2. Now let us move to the second subtopic, that is the expansion formula. Using the expansion formula we can find the value which is assigned to the determinant. So for example, here we have one determinant whose elements are A, B, C, D. So its expansion formula is A multiplied by D minus B multiplied by C. Let us see example using this expansion formula. Here we have the few examples. Let us see. We have the first question from the exercise is find the values of a determinant. The first determinant we have, its elements are 2, minus 4, 7, minus 15, and we need to find the assigned value to the determinant. Let us solve using the expansion formula. Its expansion formula is A multiplied by D, means 2 multiplied by minus 15, minus B multiplied by C, means minus 4 multiplied by 7. Now 2 multiplied by minus 15 is minus 30. Then 7 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 28, but minus minus become plus 28. So the value is minus 30 plus 28, which is minus 2. Similarly, we have the same example number 2, which is also the determinant of order 2 cross 2. We have 2 row and a 2 column in this determinant. Its first element is 2i and its position is 1 1. The first one indicates the position of row and the second one for the position of column. Similarly, we have 3 and its position is 1 2. The first one indicates the position of row, where 2 indicates the position of column. 4, its position is 2 1, where 2 indicates the position of row and 1 indicates the position of column. Minus I, its position is 2 2, where first 2 indicates the position of row and the second 2 indicates the position of column. Again we will apply the expansion formula, that is A multiplied by D. So here the A is 2i and D is minus I. So when we multiply 2i with minus I, it becomes minus 2i square. Similarly, the formula is minus BC. So here we have minus, and B value is 3 and C value is 4. So it is minus 3 multiplied by 4. So the value becomes minus 2i square minus 12. Now I square value is minus 1 because I value is root minus 1, which is an imaginary number. So I square is minus 1. So here we get the value is minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 minus 12. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 2. And so it becomes 2 minus 12, and the final answer is minus 10. So the value which is assigned to this determinant is minus 10.